Hello there, and welcome to Climate Friendly TV, a channel dedicated to creating awareness on climate change, environment, and finding solutions to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Climate change refers to a long-time shift in temperature and weather patterns, mainly caused by human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels. Scientists agree that human activity is a primary driver of what we are seeing in the world today: extreme weather events and global warming. Climate change is no longer a scientific theory. It is a global challenge that requires joint action by countries, governments, corporations, and civil society to tackle this climate change. Climate change is a major overriding issue of our time today and the single greatest challenge facing environmental regulators. In response to this challenge, commitment to pursuing energy efficiency, promoting renewable energy policies that can reduce the demand for and supply of fossil fuels, but there is one series of emissions, such as those from heavy industry, that cannot be avoided. In order to balance them, we need a powerful ally to work with, and this powerful ally is called nature. Nature forms the basics of our life on Earth, and without nature, we will not survive, and nature offers many solutions for reducing the impact of climate change and disasters. For years, experience and evidence on nature-based solutions from around the world is growing. Nature-based solutions can help solve the challenges we are facing from events like flooding, heat waves, droughts, and many. And many people, from policymakers, engineers, and businesses, are yet to know what nature-based solutions are. And this event affects the lives of millions of people every year. And so, what is nature-based solutions? Nature-based solutions are actions to protect, sustainably manage, or restore natural ecosystems that address societal challenges, such as climate change, human health, food and water security, and disaster risk reduction, effectively and adaptively, providing human well-being and biodiversity benefits. Nature-based solutions play a key role in climate change adaptation and building resilience in landscapes and communities. Several nature-based solutions are being used by the World Bank to help manage disaster risks and reduce the incidence and impacts of flooding, mudslides, and other disasters. They are a cost-effective way of addressing climate change, biodiversity, and land degradation.